Appearance is very important. It is the first thing you notice when you meet someone. As you grow older, the body starts to let you down, but there are a few things that you can do. Some ideas are very simple, while others need a bit of work, but they can all help to turn back the clock and make you look younger. 1. Standing up straight is one of the best ways to look younger and more confident. Standing straight with shoulders back and down with your tummy pulled in. At first you will need to practice and check that you are standing up straight, but soon it will become second nature. Doing exercises to strengthen your tummy muscles will also help. 2. Having enough sleep, at least 7 to 8 hours a night, will make you feel healthier and younger. Your body needs sleep so that it can repair your body cells and refresh your mind. 3. Smiling makes you look radiant and younger. Smiling also distracts from areas that show your age. A smile just changes your whole face. Try standing in front of a mirror and see what smile can do for your face. 4. Just because you are older does not necessarily mean that you have to have a short haircut. It all depends on the shape of your face. A short hairstyle can be cut to flatter and frame your face. This can be great to draw attention away from signs of aging. Though longer hairstyles can be just as flattering as long as you have a good haircut that is shaped and maybe layered. A good hairdresser should be able to advise on the best way to cut your hair, as it does not just depend on the shape of your face but also on the texture and volume of your hair. 5. Coloring your hair is also a great way to hide the telltale gray hairs. It is best to choose a color that is close to your original color so that it naturally complements your facial tones. Otherwise, you can have highlights or lowlights put into your hair, and these do not require redoing as frequently as an all-over color. 6. Choose the right clothes to complement your body and hide the areas that you do not like. For example, if you have flabby arms, you can wear 3/4 length sleeves to hide them. Soft colors will help you look younger because your skin tones become grayer as you get older. 7. Keep your teeth clean with brushing and flossing, and with regular visits to the dentist to have your teeth checked. Getting teeth clean to prevent plaque buildup can also save you losing teeth unnecessarily. If your teeth are discolored, the dentist might suggest whitening them so that you will be happy to smile and show off your teeth. 8. Losing weight can also help you look younger. Make sure that as you lose weight that you tone your body with aerobic and resistance exercises. 9. Makeup can also help as long as you do not cake it on. Use a light foundation that does not sink into the wrinkles, and emphasis them is better than a heavier one that does. Be careful about which eyeshadows to use. Cream ones will sink into your wrinkles. 10. Look after your skin. Do not clean your face with soap and water but with a proper cleanser so that it dissolves all the makeup on the face and cleanses it properly. Always make sure that you remove your makeup every night, as one night leaving it on can age your skin 8 days. After cleaning your skin, make sure that you moisturize it so that it keeps your skin hydrated and younger looking. With the aids that have been shown above on how to look younger, start today by choosing a couple of ideas, implement them, and watch the changes in your appearance.